Alrighty then, this must be plumbing day. Toilet was doing fine until the flange broke and it rocked, the shim slid out, and looking at it, best I can look at it here, the flange is not flush. It's not above, it's not below, it's right halfway out. So rather than use a double wax ring like seemed to work last time till we had a little movement, I am going to put down, obviously the flange is broke, I am going to put down those flange repair kits, which I did downstairs. Now I've got a big gaping hole here and it's up there. Downstairs when I had the problem with the other toilet, just used a big glob of silicone and that took care of it. What I'm going to do this time is I'm putting this piece of foam in here. I've already drilled the holes through the tile, and then I'm going to pull that down, and I will not need near as much silicone. Now what about this foam, you ask? This is part of a kit, and apparently these kits are getting away from the wax rings. There's some other YouTubes out there done by actual real plumbers, and they've talked very highly about these. Not this particular product. It's the first time I've seen or even used it. But like I said, it's getting away from the wax rings and all the mess. One plumber said he's moved one toilet more than 3 times and it's using the same synthetic product instead of the wax rings each time. And this is made in America, so I'm going to try it first. The way this is designed to work is you have your flange there, and then the rubber seal goes on top of it, and then it depends on how high or how low it is you take or remove these foam rings. So what I'm going to go ahead and get that done. When I got silicone in, then I will show you before I set the toilet. There you go, got the foam ring down on the low end and a big old glob of schmooze silicone on the top. Screw there you go. Before I set the toilet, put just a heavy load of caulk, which is what I did downstairs. But downstairs it was even and flush. There's a little bit of that foam pad squished out there. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I will go ahead and set it. I'm going to set it with that new fancy dancy thing that's supposed to squish down on there, and that's the way it's actually designed to work. They make the instructions come with 3 ways: if the flange is below the floor, above the floor, or way above the floor. And of course, no, it has one for when it's the flange is half above the floor and half below the floor. That's it. I'm not going to show you how to set it. You know how to set a toilet, but good luck. Final note, remember to use deck screws. They're designed for wet environments, and that way in case there is a leak in the future, at least the flange will be solid. Good luck. I hate plumbing.